everyone, welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, in the last period we have learned, we are continuing with our chapter number 1, that is measurement. Okay, today we will see the further things in that. So take out your saffron textbook, take maths saffron textbook. Look at the board everyone. Okay, so students, in the last period we have completed till here. Okay, measuring of capacity. Capacity means how much a container can hold. So big container holds more, small container holds less. ये हमने देखा है. अभी नेक्स्ट, see, this jug can hold 3 glasses of water. Okay, एक जग में कितने glasses of water बैठते हैं? 3 glasses. How many? 3 glasses. Okay, one jug holds 3 glasses. So circle the glasses required to fill the given jars. So students, here also they have given the jars. So you have to assume this, that one jug 3 glass. आपको क्या करना है? As they have shown, one jug 3 glass. What they have shown? One jug 3 glass. Okay, so here also you have to count like one jug 3 glass. Okay, so 3 jars are there now. How many? 3 jars. Okay, so how many glasses it will take? देखो, एक जग को 3, सेकेंड जग को 3, थर्ड जग को 3. ओके, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so 3 jars required 9 glasses. How many? 9 glasses. So what they have told, circle the glasses required to fill the jars. So we will circle there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 glasses are required. Come on, do it. Come on, do it fast. Why we have took 3 glasses? Because already they have told here. One jug, 3 glasses. So 3 jugs, 9 glasses. Okay, come on, circle all the glasses. Done everyone? Next, 2 jugs. How many? 2. One jug, 3. So I will first circle 3. Second, 3 more. Okay, so how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Okay, so 6 glasses we require. Come on, give it. Give circle to all. Give circle to all. Finish? Okay, next. Now see students, I will show you something. Now students, I will see. Here I am going to show you something. From that you will clearly understand the measurement, means measuring capacity, what it is. Okay, so here you can see cup, empty cup it is, khali cup hai. Okay, and here you can see glass, empty glass. Okay, now I will pour water in this. I will pour water in cup. Okay, and I will pour water in glass. Fine. So students, if you will see water in the cup and if you will see water in glass, so I can see here less water. Yes, I can see here less water, and here it is more. Here it is more. Why this is so? Why this is so? Yes, because this cup is small and this glass is big. So big container holds more liquid and small container holds less liquid. आप भी घर पे कर सकते हो. एक साइड में कप लेना है, एक साइड में ग्लास लेना है, ओके, और पानी उसमें डालना है. तो कौन से इसमें ज़्यादा पानी बैठेगा आपको देखना है. Sure, the cup will hold less and a glass will hold more. Why this is? Because glass is bigger container and cup is small container. Okay, understood? समझ में आया ये आपको? Fine. Okay, so I have shown you the cup and glass experiment. So glass holds more and cup holds less water. Okay, now here you have to start my practice time 3. Okay, my practice time 3. Select the objects having more capacity. Okay, ज़्यादा capacity किसमें है वो हमें select करना है. So first is jug and here bowl. So which is having more capacity? Who is having more capacity? Jug and bowl. Yes, jug will be having more capacity. Why? Because jug is big and bowl is small. So if I will submit, correct. Very good, students. Next, mug and bucket. Mug and bucket. Who will hold more? किसमें ज़्यादा पानी ये होल्ड करेगा? किसमें ज़्यादा पानी आएगा? Yes, it will come in mug. No, then bucket. Yes. So I will submit. Very good, students. Very nice. Okay. Next, glass and water bottle. Glass and water bottle. So who will hold more? किसमें ज़्यादा आएगा? ग्लास में या बॉटल में? ग्लास में? नहीं, बॉटल. Yes, come on students. Bottle. Yeah, very good. Correct. Okay. Next, here a jug and a bowl. So which one, jug or bowl? Of course jug. So I will select here jug and I will submit. Correct. Very good. Okay. So all the answers you have done correct. So in this way you have to do. Okay. So circle the objects having more capacity. You have to circle now. Yeah, so circle the objects having more capacity. If you will compare jug and bowl, which is more? Who holds more? Jug. So I will circle here jug. Okay, here mug and bucket. Mug and bucket. Who holds more? Mug? No. Then bucket? Very good. So bucket. Understood? Now next, glass and water bottle. What? Glass, bottle. So which is more? Who holds more? किसमें ज़्यादा पानी बैठता है? Bottle में. Okay. So this is circle. Next, here jug and here bowl. Who holds more? Yeah, first. Okay, come on, do circle in your textbook. चलो circle करो. Finish? So this was about the capacity. Turn the page. Yeah, I learned. So what are the things you learned in this chapter? Okay, measurement, name of the chapter, length, how you can measure the length by taking this one pins, paper pins, or you can measure the length with crayons also. Okay, with the help of objects you can measure like this, or else if objects are not there, then how you will measure? Yes, by using your body parts. By using your body parts. So which are those body parts? What it is called? Yes, hand span. How is the hand span? Yes, this is the hand span. Okay. Next is foot span. Foot span. Suppose this is your foot. So this is foot span. Okay. Cubit. Cubit means from elbow to the finger, and pace or stride is distance between one leg to one foot to other. Understood? So length you can measure like this. Next is weight, vazan. How you will measure? By using a weighing scale. What? By using a weighing scale. Weighing scale यानी तराजू. Okay, it comes up and down ना. Yes. Next is capacity. Just now only we have seen. Next is capacity. Okay, so what capacity means? Who holds or what holds more, that you can find out. So bigger things contains more and smaller things contains less. It is not like that always, every time big can hold more. It is not like that. Okay, you have to take it in your hand, you have to realize or feel, then only you can find out. Now here some words are there. See, measurement means to know the exact size or amount of an object. Measurement यानी size या फिर amount, exactly you can find out. Okay. Length means how long or short an object is. Long कैसा है या फिर short कितना है, ये हम length से find out कर सकते हैं. Next is weight. How heavy an object is. Weight यानी हम उससे पता लगा सकते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा हेवी है या लाइट है. नेक्स्ट इज कैपेसिटी. हाउ मच अ कंटेनर कैन होल्ड. कैपेसिटी यानी कंटेनर में कितना बैठता है लिक्विड, ये हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज थिंग्स वी हैव लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी my learning beyond. Do you know how tall you are? Do you know your height, students? आपको अपनी height पता है? नहीं पता है तो पता कर लो. Yes. So take an object such as a straw, stick, a ruler or a pencil. Ask your parents to measure how tall you are. So now you can do this at your home. You have to stand erect. See, you have to stand straight like this. You can see here in the picture, you can stand straight and ask your elders, parents, okay, to this one, measure your height. आप जहाँ पे खड़े हो, ये आप सर पर से यहाँ पे क्या लगाना है आपको? स्टिक लगाना है या फिर रूलर लगाना है, पेंसिल, कुछ भी. ओके, तो जितनी हाइट हो वहाँ पे आपको मार्क करना है. Now I will stand here. So my head comes till here. So my height is, now measurement I can accurate cannot tell, but till it will come till here. Understood? So like this you can measure. Understood? So measure your height and write here. Fine. The measurement of how tall or high someone is from head to foot is known as height. Height यानी देखो, जब भी आप मेजर करते हो तो कहाँ से मेजर करना है? फुट से लेके हेड तक. कहाँ से? फुट से लेके हेड तक. पैरों से लेके यहाँ पे सर तक, ओके, ऐसे बीच में नहीं लेना है, तो फुट से लेके हेड तक मेजर करना है। फाइन। So these things we have learnt in this chapter. So in this way we have completed here our chapter number 1. Understood? So now we will continue with our chapter number 2. What? Now we will continue with our chapter number 2. Numbers up to 100. What? Numbers up to 100. Students, in our first term we have learnt the numbers from 1 to 50 and the number names also 1 to 50, and how you can build up the numbers, that also we have learned. Okay, tens and ones. अगर एग्जाम्पल हमने 30 लिया तो उसमें कितने टेंस होते हैं? 3 tens. Okay, for example if you will take 45, so how many tens and how many ones? 45. Listen to me carefully. 45. 4 5 45. So how many tens and how many ones? Yes, 4 tens and 5 ones. See, now I will write here 47. Okay, I will write here 47. So how many tens and how many ones? Ones कहाँ पे होता है? कौन से साइड में? Of course to your right side. And where is the tens? To your left side. Okay, ones right, tens left. Understood? So ones and tens. So 4 tens, 7 ones, 47. Okay, till 50 we have learnt. Where? Till 50. Till 50 we have learnt. Now we are going to learn further. Students, can you tell me what comes after 50? Yes, you have learnt all these things in KG class. So what comes after 50? Can anybody tell me? Very good. Comes 51. What comes? 51. So in this chapter we are going to learn the numbers till 100. 100 तक हम numbers पढ़ने वाले हैं. Fine. First we will do with the warm up. Warm up से हम start करेंगे. Fill in the missing numbers. See here numbers they have given. You have to fill it. 1. After 1 what comes? 2. After 2, 3. Then 4. Then 5. 5 is there already. Okay. Then after 5, good. 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 is there already. So complete that one row. Complete that much. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Wrote. Next 10 के बाद 11, 12, 13 is there already. What comes after 13? 13 के बाद क्या आता है? Very good. 1, 4, 14. What comes? 1, 4, 14. Understood? What comes after 14? 14 के बाद क्या आता है? 15. Okay. 1, 5, 15. Then 16. 1, 6, 16. Very good. Then 17 is there. What comes after 17? 17 के बाद? Good. 1, 8, 18. Then 19 and then 20. Come on, complete this row. Finish? Okay. Now You need some time to write. Come on, copy it fast, students. But don't do mistakes while writing fast, okay? So copy the numbers. जल्दी जल्दी कॉपी करो. 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20 are the missing numbers. Finish? Now next 21. Okay, after 20 comes 21. 21 is there. Now what comes after 21? Good. 22, 23, 24 and 25. 25 के बाद yes 26. Nice. Then 27. Okay, then 28. Nice. Then 29 and then 30. Very good. Come on, complete that row. 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28 and 29 were missing. चलो करो जल्दी से. हो गया? Till 30 you have finished. 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. Finish? Okay. Next. Now after 30, 30 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Like 20 के बाद 2, 1, 21. Then what comes after 30? 3, 1, 31. What? 3, 1, 31. Then 32 is there. Next 32 के बाद yes 3, 3, 33. What? 3, 3, 33. And then 3, 4, 34. What? 3, 4, 34. Then 3, 5, 35. What? 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. What? 3, 6, 36. Then 3, 7, 37. Then 3, 8, 38. 39 is there. Then after 39 comes 40. What comes? 40, 40. Understood? Come on, write that row. 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 40 was missing. Come on, write it fast. Finish? Next. Now after 40 what comes? 40 के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. Then 4, 3, 43. Okay. Now students, what you do? You do means right after 44. 44 के बाद क्या आता है? वो last box तक लिखो. Let me check what you will write. First 3 numbers I wrote. Okay. So after 44 what comes you write now? चलो लिखो जल्दी जल्दी. 4, 4, 44. Write the next number. Write next. Next. Next one. Yes, and write the 2 numbers then. Finish? Shall I write now? Okay. Let us check. 41, 42, 43, 44. Then comes 45. Yes, you also wrote same. Very good. Then 46, 47, 48. यही 3 numbers मिले ना आपको? Very good dear students. Then 49 and 50 completed. Okay? So those who have done the mistakes, correct it. जिसने mistake किए वो correct करो. So we have wrote all the missing numbers and we have completed the table. Understood? Look ahead. What are the things that we are going to learn in this chapter? Fine. So that we are going to see. Just have a look. Reading and writing numbers from 51 to 100. 51 से 100 तक लेके हम नंबर्स और नंबर नेम्स भी पढ़ेंगे. Representing the numbers on the abacus. Abacus means you know only. So how you will represent on that. Further 51 that we are going to see. Before, after, between, forward and backward counting, comparing numbers, ordering of numbers. See students, all these concept are familiar. ये हमने सब concept पढ़े हैं, लेकिन numbers अलग थे. Okay, in term 1 to 50 was there. Now we are in term 2, beyond 50 is there. Fine. So we will see that further things afterwards. So students, we have completed with our measurement chapter. Okay, and we have completed we have started with our new chapter, that is numbers up to 100, that is chapter number 2. Okay, introduction and warm up we have done. So further things we will see in the next period. Till then, bye bye, take care everyone.